It's time to clean. Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a product. I'm in the bathroom and it's time to clean this bathroom. So I want to show you something that is make it easier for you to clean behind the toilet, the tub, the sink, and I'm going to show you the attachments. Okay, let's unbox this baby. Sixseyaa electric spin scrubber comes with 8 different attachments to help clean all of your needs. Look at all the attachments that comes with it. You can even wash your cars, guys. Your tires with the angle brush. I mean, look at all the brushes. The dome I really use to scrub the tub. You can angle the brush head from 90 to 180 degrees. Comes with a 21-volt battery. It takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to charge, and the maximum power is about 60 watts. Goes from low, mid to max speed. Listen to all that power, guys. The link to this product will be in the description box below.